Warning. This software is provided as is without warranty of any kind and is to be used at your own risk. The use of this software is done at your own discretion and risk, and with agreement that you will be solely responsible for any damage to your computer system or loss of data that results from such activities. You are solely responsible for adequate protection and backup of the data and equipment used in connection with any parts of this software. And the creator will not be liable for any damages that you may suffer in connection with installing, using, modifying, or disconnecting this software. Yes. Or no.
Now a rainbow's tale isn't quite as nice as the story we knew of sugar and spice, but a rainbow is easy once you get to know it with the help of the magic of a Pegasus device. Facility. soul gets through. In the rainbow factory, where fears and hearts come true.